Hello, so we are still on the run trying to finish this personal branding within a weekend. So I've had a headache for a while, so I had to take a break. But I am back and I want to now create my portfolio. So there are so many different sites that you can use to create your portfolio. But as I said, I'm trying to make it simple and also free so that you don't have to invest anything to create this website. So I am going to use Strikingly. The reason I'm using Strikingly is because I want my portfolio website to have more than one page, and sites like CAD, Google Sites, they give you the option of creating a one-page site, but I want more on my portfolio than just the normal one-pager that I see in most portfolios. So that is where I'm going with Strikingly, and their free version is actually good. Although I'm not very particular about the free URL that they give. And as you know, the free URL that has that subdomain of mystrikingly.com is not very good for your SEO when it comes to Google and ranking, but it is free. And if you do it right, you can actually appear on sites. You can optimize other places other than your URL. So you just want to search Strikingly, then go to strikingly.com and you'll create your account. It's free. So I already have an account with Strikingly, so I'll not be creating another account. That's why you see it automatically logging me in, but you'll just put your first name, your email, and then you pick start for free. So Strikingly has several, like every other tool that creates websites. Strikingly has a good number of tools. To start with the templates, I think we'll go with that too. They also have the option whereby you can write a prompt and they can make a website for you. The only downside with that is sometimes they give you the profiles of your website, and as you know, after 14 days, if you have a pro feature and you don't upgrade, that means that part of your site will not be working so well. So yeah, that is the only downside. You can delete that pro feature and maybe add another section, but yeah, you can just also choose to start with simple templates and then edit it to your liking. Okay, so as you see, they have various templates. You can choose business, store, startup, portfolio, organization, service, personal, fun, if you just want a blog. So let's browse the portfolio. I'm going for a minimalist type of portfolio, so nothing over the board. Illustration. Okay. Okay, I'm not sure which one to go with. I think I'll go with this Julianne. She's a teacher, candidate, artist, stroke advocate. So we will edit it later. I'm just picking it because I don't see any other template that catches. That's the only problem with using templates. Sometimes it doesn't match what you have in mind, the design or the concept that you have in mind, but we're going to make it work. Okay, so we'll use this template. I like how they have images at the background that when you scroll they can appear and they overlay so well. So I'll go I'll go ahead and create the website off camera, and then I'll come and explain what I've done in less than 10 minutes. Okay, 5 hours later, and I'm done with my portfolio. So as I said, I'm using strikingly.com. So 5 hours later, and I'm done with everything. Well, I had to create some sample work because I don't have permission to use my clients or employees' work. So I kind of had to make my own from scratch. So that took a bit of time. So if you have sample work, that will save you a lot of time. The other thing is I had to write the copy of my website. So you have to write the copy of your website. So I had to do that before I started editing. So this is the where I did the edits. So it was not a portfolio for a digital marketer. So I had to it was more for an artist. So I had to really get creative on how I'm going to present my work on this portfolio. But I like how it turned out. So let me just show you the results of my website. So let's scroll down. So this is the final result. So here I have some cool navigation bar buttons. So if you just click on any of the buttons, it takes you to the page. And as you can see, I'm using the parallax sliding motion where the background images sort of slide with the content. So yes. So these are the content. This is a mudra, a brand board. So a brand board is essentially your logos, how your logos will appear on different backgrounds, like you can see right here. You can see it's on a white background, on a pink background, on a gray background. Then your primary colors, sample gradients, and just secondary sort of colors that you might use with your brand. So yeah, this I created. I had to update this. So yeah, I did create that too from scratch. Then I just did some sample work. So you have a reel here that actually has to be a YouTube video. So I had to embed that. I had to upload that on YouTube so that it can be embedded here. So you can't just upload a video here. So that is also another thing that made this work kind of a lot. But yeah, so I created a reel, a simple one actually. So it was very quick. So yeah, an 11-second reel. And then I have some sample work here. Yeah, so all of these I just created now. That's why you can see it has a lot of red because that is my brand color. So as I was creating it, I just decided, okay, let me just go with my brand colors instead of figuring out what a client would need. But essentially you want things to be branded as much as possible when you're creating graphics or when you're posting content and everything. So we are talking about font, you're talking about the color, you're thinking about you need to have a mood board. Actually, I've created a mood board for myself right now. So yeah, is um so that is what I meant by copy. So all of this I have come up with them within the 5 hours. Like I said, I didn't have a personal brand set in stone. I just post on my LinkedIn, mostly on my LinkedIn, and once in a while on TikTok. I deleted my Instagram page because with Instagram, if you're not active, it gets into the shadow ban, and it's so hard to revive it. But right now in this process, I want to also revive my social media, so I'll be creating a new Instagram page. So that is why I deleted the old one. But I have my Facebook page, I have my TikTok and LinkedIn, and I also have my X although my X is not branded to this digital marketing, it's sort of my space to just discuss about several topics. So I don't think I'll include that as part of my social media for my digital work. So yes, some images I used AI like this. I used Leonardo.ai to create some of those background images. Just wanted something cool, something that shows branding. So I love how it turned out. Yes, I love how it turned out. It was simple. I was just going for simple, quick, and of course you have to include your CTAs. So if you notice, I only have 2 CTAs, and there is a purpose for that. So yeah, tell me what you think, but I think I like the results. So this is a free site. As you can see, that is my URL. So for this free site, you get the My Strikingly subdomain within your domain. But if you upgrade, you'll actually get a domain without the My Strikingly. So it will just be something like joymlama.com. But since I said I'm going to show you guys free way of branding yourself from scratch, that is where I'm leaving my portfolio as a free portfolio. And if you want to upgrade, I would really appreciate if you use my affiliate link that I'm going to leave in the description box. That if you use the link and you create your free website, it will remain free forever. So using the affiliate link will not affect anything. It's just that if you upgrade, I will get a commission. So that is just it. So I will appreciate it if you can use my affiliate link when you use, if you choose to use Strikingly. There are so many other websites that you can use to create your free portfolio, but I just like that Strikingly, this is a one page, but I'm going to be adding more pages later on. Like I'll have a blog section, I'll have several other pages. So that is why I chose my Strikingly. I would go, if you want a one pager, Card is also a good option. I don't like the free version of WordPress and Wix. Those are good if you pay for them. So tell me what you think, guys. So the next step is to create my Instagram account and what else? Yeah, so just the Instagram account. Then I'll take a week to post and revamp the social media accounts. Then I'll come back and tell you guys the results of the 1 week social media revamping. So guys, this is it for starting your personal brand. So I've done the major parts that I need. So with the portfolio, with the social media, so I have my social media account. So I'm just going to use my existing social media accounts. But if you don't have existing social media accounts, it doesn't take a lot of time to create your accounts. What takes time is actually optimizing your accounts. So within the week, I'll be optimizing my accounts, and I will also be consistently posting. So I'll post for 7 days straight. Then I'll come back with the analytics and just show you guys what 1 week of posting looks like for a new account like the Instagram account that I'll create, and for old accounts. My Facebook account is dormant, so I'll also show you the results of a dormant account that suddenly gets like consistent posting. Then my LinkedIn account is sort of active, so it's not super active, but it's active. I post there once in a while. I'll also show you that. And then my TikTok, I'll also show you that because it is in between active and inactive. So I will be doing that in this coming week. So that is it, guys, for starting your personal brand. As you can see, I really put a lot of work in showing you guys how to do this, but it has also helped me because now I have a personal brand, I have a portfolio, I have a working brand, right? So let's build it together. Let's continue building it together, and you can see the results. So see you. Bye bye. Okay, don't forget to like, subscribe, and